Ever wondered how intricate designs on metals are crafted with such precision? The answer lies in the technology of CNC plasma cutting. This world of precision engineering is fascinating, and today we delve into its core to understand how it works. CNC plasma cutting involves the use of a plasma torch to cut through electrically conductive materials. These materials could be as varied as steel, aluminum, brass, copper, and other metals. This technology has revolutionized the metalworking industry, enabling the creation of intricate designs with impeccable precision. At the heart of this process lies plasma, a high-velocity jet of ionized gas that is hotter than the surface of the sun. This plasma is directed at the metal, causing it to melt and form a cut. The plasma torch contains a channel through which gas, often air, can be directed. This gas is then sparked by an electrical arc, which turns it into plasma. The CNC, or computer numerical control aspect, brings in the precision. The plasma torch is controlled by a computer, following a pre-programmed path to make precise cuts. This path is dictated by a design that has been input into the computer. The torch moves across the metal, following this path, melting and cutting the metal as it goes. This results in a clean, precise cut, with little to no distortion. The speed and temperature of the plasma jet can be adjusted according to the thickness and type of metal being cut. This allows for a wide range of applications, from crafting intricate jewelry designs to cutting large sheets of industrial-grade steel. To summarize, CNC plasma cutting is a process that combines the power of plasma with the precision of computer control. It involves using a plasma torch to melt and cut through conductive metals, under the guidance of a pre-programmed path on a computer. This results in precise, clean cuts with minimal distortion. In this world where precision matters, CNC plasma cutting stands as a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement. It is a fascinating process, combining the raw power of nature with the sophistication of computer technology to create works of art and practical pieces alike. So, the next time you see a beautifully crafted metal piece, remember the intricate dance of plasma and computer control that brought it to life.